train tracks. Yes, my humble viewers, there used to be a whole bunch of train tracks coming from that direction right there. And those train tracks went in 3 different directions. I think even more than that. One went down that way, one went that way in between those buildings, and one kind of went over the other direction. And that's what I'm investigating today. Just to the left of that transmission tower, power line tower, can't even tell anymore. The landscape's changed. Train tracks used to go right between those buildings, right there, right where the road is, sort of. Maybe a little bit closer to the buildings. Anyway, it's another peaceful day.